Hey folks, after a very warm, very humid start today, temperatures took off in a hurry and we climbed up into the 90s. Valley-wide, upper 90s in the west, low to mid 90s along the coast. 90 right now in Port Isabel, 92 Harlingen and Raymondville. Brownsville checks in at 91 degrees. You add the humidity in, it feels a lot hotter than that. It feels like 99 at the coast, but everybody else between 102 and 107. So you step outside and it just feels hot. Of course it is, but you add the humidity in, feels even hotter. Overnight tonight, readings bottom out in the upper 70s, about 81 at the beach, and then tomorrow back up into the upper 90s in the west. Again, about 90 degrees at the island, so another very warm day with a little bit of a breeze tomorrow out of the southeast. The normal high for this time of year is 95. We're going to go 97 Thursday and Friday and come back 1 degree on Saturday, but it's just going to be hot for the foreseeable future. Satellite doesn't show much over the valley today. The showers stayed away, most of them off to the southwest in the mountains. And Future Track says they'll stay there tonight. Just patchy clouds overhead, but that's about it. And the chance of rain tomorrow stands at about as close to zero as it can be without being zero, because sea breeze could still trigger something, but we're talking really, really isolated. Most areas miss out completely. You go into Friday, same kind of thing, partly to mostly sunny. Breezy conditions begin to show up as we get close to the weekend, and not only Friday, but Saturday and Sunday as well, but still very, very warm across the region with, again, temperatures climbing back up into the 90s. Rainfall wise, though, we don't see a big chance of rain at all through the weekend into the first part of next week. We are starting to see a hint at a shower chance the middle of next week, just in time for the holiday. We'll have to watch and see how that's going to pan out. Satellite today shows all the moisture to the southwest, but most of Texas enjoying a pretty quiet day as that warm, humid flow continues into South Texas, and it's not going to change anytime soon. It just continues to pump the warm moisture into the region, so we stay hot and humid, and the upper level temperatures are warm. Everything comes together to just make it hot and rain free. I say hot and dry, but humidity is here, but no rain. Up in the upper atmosphere, it's very, very dry, so not much chance of rain through the weekend until perhaps the middle of next week. So until then, we stay pretty warm, we stay pretty dry. Travel plans tomorrow morning: San Antonio 76 degrees at 7 a.m. Dallas starts the day at 80, Houston's at 78. By afternoon, pretty much everybody warms back in the 90s, with El Paso going to 101 tomorrow afternoon. So for tonight, a low 78, warm, humid. Then tomorrow, back to 97, plenty of sunshine, breezy and hot. Southeast winds 15 to 25 miles an hour. The next 3 days, we stay in the upper 90s, and we just don't change much. Middle of next week, starting about the 4th of July, we throw a shower or thunderstorm into the forecast as a little tropical moisture makes its way in our direction. So by then, about a 20 to 30% chance. But between now and then, we're dry, 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 and mainly dry with a chance of rain on Wednesday. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.